Hey, what's up? I'm gonna show you how to download characters and animations from Mixamo real quick. So I already have my project open and I'm just going to go into Mixamo. It is a free sign up to sign up and be able to download all this stuff. So pretty nice. You can go into characters and then you can just click on any one of these characters that you want to download, and all you have to do is click download, FBX binary T-pose, and then just download it. So while that's downloading, I am going to go into animations once it figures out what it's doing. Alright, downloaded asset, cool. Now let's go to animations. So I already have the character here that I want to place an animation on. So I can just click on one and it'll showcase it right here. And you can kind of just move around. It doesn't use the same logic as Unreal Engine, so you just kind of have to get used to like controlling it a little bit better. But yeah, so let me get one that I want. Let's see, dance. Oh yeah, let's do some flares. Why not? So now when you click download here, I'm going to do it without skin because I've already downloaded the character itself. So without skin, FBX binary. For keyframe reduction, so the difference between these two, uniform is more for like idle animations, while the non-uniform is more for complex animations. Like, I have to say this is a more complex animation, but also like changing speeds, like if you're changing how fast you're going and stuff like that, you're going to want to pick non-uniform. But if it's like an idle animation where you're just like looking around and does like slight movements or something else, then uniform would work. So let's download. Alright, so we have it downloaded. So all we're going to do is, I'm going to do this one first. So this CH44 is our character. So I'm just going to drag it into here. And it's going to pop up with all this stuff. And I'm just going to import. Okay, so this is where it is now. I just did it in the main folder, so it has it right here. You might want to create a folder for like Mixamo stuff if you're actually doing this, and maybe even a separate folder for this specifically, this character, because all these different little materials go with the character because they're attached. So now I'm going to grab the other thing I downloaded, and I'm also going to drag that in here. And for this skeleton, sure. So I'm going to import it. Now let's go into our, well, let me create a blueprint. So I'm going to create a character real quick. I'm going to go into that character. And for this mesh, I'm just going to click the drop down menu here and have this. Rotate it to the front here. And then on begin play, I'm just going to play the animation. So play animation mesh. And that's just going to be the flare we have. Compile and save. I'm going to make it looping, so it's a continuous air flare. And let me just drag this character in here. Let me rotate it. And when I hit play, I have my guy kind of doing air flares. It did look kind of funky in the actual animation on Mixamo, so that makes sense. You could also like fix it up to make it look a little bit better, but this essentially is how you import animations and characters into your Unreal Engine project. And as quickly and simply as possible. There's a lot more details you can go into actually doing more about this stuff, but for just the basic stuff, this works. So yeah, I hope that helped, and goodbye.